Welcome, friends. In today's lecture, we will see one very interesting and most popular Python interview coding questions. That is, one list is given to you, and they ask find the third largest, fourth largest number. Okay, so in this case, n is equal to 2, means it is the second largest number. So in this case, it is a 12. So how to find out without using inbuilt functions? And it is very tricky questions, but very simple. Okay, simple approach is there. So first, I will write one method, that is nth largest. Okay, nth largest. You may give any naming convention. So the nums, that list, input list, and n, that position. Okay, second in this case. So then I will write one loop for I in range of let's say n, for I range of n. So then largest is equal to, I assume that 0 is the that number which is largest in this case. So here minus 1, let's say minus 1 is the largest number. So as per my assumptions, and it's not true, but we have to assume at initial conditions. Again, I will run one the loop for this. Then for, let's say, num in nums. Okay, for in num in nums means I will iterate through this list for this range. So n is equal to now 2, 0, 1, 2. Three times I will, my loop will be run for this. Okay, now I will apply one condition. If that num is greater than largest. Okay, if that number is greater than largest, means in this case minus 1 is equal to minus 1, so it can, this condition will not satisfy. Then 0 is less than, 0 is greater than minus 1, so that largest number is, in this case, let's say 0. So this loop will be uh, iterated every time. So I assume now largest number is that number. Okay, so again, next I will remove that initial largest number, means this number. Okay, so I will remove this initial largest number. So that nums dot remove, and that largest. Okay, and finally it will return that largest number, return the largest number, and this is whole store. Now here I give n is equal to 2, and initially I mentioned the nums. Okay, let's say I take this here. Now I will print one result like this. Result is equal to what? Nth largest. I will pass this to argument nums and at n. So I see here. Now final the n largest number is. Okay, so it's that result. Okay, that result. So if I run this, okay, just give me 1 second. Yeah, so second largest number is 12. So if you observe carefully, so second largest number is 12. So I change the position. Let's say I want first. So first largest number will be obviously 21. The answer will, you will check, that is 21. So if I check again third highest number, so let's say third highest number will be this. Oh, sorry. Okay. So third highest number will be 7. So what I have to check? I have to check the conditions. See, one, I write this, right, I return this method name. I pass two parameters, that name list and that position n. For this n, let's say 2 is there, 0, 1, 2. For this range, this loop will run. First, I assume that largest number, then that number, then again I will write. I write one loop, that is for loop here. Okay, this for loop. Now it will iterates through each numbers, and it will check this condition if that number is actually greater than least largest or not. If it is largest, then largest number is now replaced, and finally we have to remove that number from that list. Which largest? So this largest, initial largest. Okay, this largest. So, and finally we have to return that largest number. And if I return this, so I will get this approach. Thank you. There are